Welcome to the lesson. This group is confirmed by Elisa Llanos, Scarlett Truyoll, Camila Cepeda, and Eleanys Ustaris. Enjoy!
Today we are talking about the cooking verbs.
These verbs can be used whenever an action is to be carried out in the kitchen. For example, when we cut the potato, put water to boil, or cook the kitchen. Also when we prepare salad. I'm on direction.
It's very simple. You only have to identify them when referred to action that involves something in the kitchen, be it making or preparing. In those moments, we use those verbs.
It will be easier if we see something example of the verbs.
Pour. The girl is pouring some tea into the cup. Sip. She is sipping the hot tea slowly. Toast. Let's toast some bread in the toaster. Spread. I like to spread butter on my toast in the morning. Squeezy. She is squeezing a lemon. Break. Break the eggs into a glass bowl. Weigh. Weigh the flour on the scale.
Measure. You can measure the water with a measuring cup. Mix. Mix the butter together until it is smooth. Put the frying pan on the stove. Make. She is making pancakes. Layer. Layer the pancakes on the plate. Wash. Be sure to wash the fruit before eating them. Fill. Tom is filling the potatoes.
Dice. Dice the potatoes into cubes. Dip. I like to dip my fries in ketchup. Crush. Grandma is crushing the garlic in the kitchen. Prepare. Alice is preparing a taco. Sprinkle. Sprinkle the top of the dish with some pepper. Decorate. She is decorating the cake with fresh strawberries.
Flip. He is flipping the food in the pan. Microwave. Microwave the soup for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the strawberries to keep them fresh. Freeze. Freeze the vegetables as fast as possible to maintain quality. Blend. Use a blender to blend two fruits into a smooth consistency. Heat. Heat the oven for a few minutes before use. Roast. Roast the turkey for 2 hours.
Thank you. Bye bye.